Here he goes. Come on. Run up. Takes the position. Shoots. He's gone, yeah. Oh. He needs to reload. Looking for some cash. Yeah, he's found one. He's found one. Here he goes. Get one. Come on, my man. Nice, nice. In here. Come on, here he goes. So he's going for two. He's going for a two-shot strategy. Oh, he's... Down here, down here. How can you... No. We need to point it's down here. Back to the drawing board. Come on, man. Oh man. There's one that he's spotted, no? He's coming back. Yeah, he's not having it. He's a pro. He can be rude to cheer if he gets it in.
Yeah, he's done that. Both of them.
I've been videoing him.
He's got one card.
Come on, come on. There he goes. Tell you what, the way he's been throwing, you want to watch out. He might hit you. All day. Come on, my man. He shoots. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh,
he'll have his shoulder when he goes back home.
Try the other side. No, he likes this side. He's going for it. Here he goes. Come on. Yay! The celebration, he's done. Going back.